Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're gonna do Bridgemount. Without any further ado, here we go, people. Got anything to say?
Bridgemount.
Okay.
Just do your thing.
Just do my thing. Okay, here we go, people. So, unless we start seeing a lot on both sides.
There is a lot of... Oh, man.
See, here's where I really have to do a big angle to get these houses, and I don't realize it when I'm just holding it with my hand. When it's up above me, if I can't see the monitor. So, but I'm just talking, people, about things that we can maybe make some small investments here and there to make our videos even better for you guys to enjoy. I know you enjoy them now. You enjoy us talking and enjoy the scenery. When we get into some of these hilly areas, it is more difficult to do it good.
Yeah, because also you have to be situated.
Yeah. Well, you know, and part of it too. And I'll do something about this frog in my throat too. That'd be nice. I used to have the camera not zoomed in a little bit, and it was big wide angle, and some of you couldn't really see some of the details you wanted. So I'm trying to make it so you can see the details, and that created another challenge, which is the angle of the camera. So we're waiting for somebody to pull out of their drive. And there is a house on the left here too.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and show it. Boy, no wonder she was going down so slow. I can't even see what's up there behind me. I'm just kind of guessing, people. So hopefully y'all can see something up there. That's kind of that's pretty though, all the little pots and plants and everything.
So here is still Bridgemount? Here is still Bridgemount?
Yeah, I believe so, sweetie.
Oh, that was where she was.
Oh, that's where she was right there.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now I get a good look at their house. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's why she... Wow. That's a beautiful home. It's up so high.
Like terrace.
Oh, man.
Terraces.
Wow. Wow. And I don't know who these... It almost looks like a breadfruit tree, but I don't see any breadfruit on it.
This?
Right there.
It's a breadfruit tree.
Okay, so I'm right.
Maybe.
You just don't see any on it.
This look like a pimento tree. If I could get a branch of it, that would serve me good.
Well,
pimento, the berries that you said. Yeah. It's good seasoning. The leaves, the tree.
I wonder what those are. Those things there. They're kind of like a...
I see them. I don't know what they are.
I don't know what you call those kind of leaves.
But you know, there was a tree at Paul's place, Paul in Chiswick, and we had to cut it down because wasps built nests in it. Yes,
now,
and it was getting so big.
Up there is where I drove, I think, a little bit ago, to that house up there. But I couldn't tell you for sure. And then there's some little roads that go up there, private roads though, so I can't really take them. If that's up there where I turned around, that yellow house, look how many stories it is. But to the front, it didn't look like that. This is Sunset Heights, the sign says, and Wayne Heights. I'm not going to go up in Wayne Heights. The road looks a little bit too rough for me. Let's see, where does this road down there go? Oh, it just goes and then comes back. So I'm not going to take that one, people. It just goes down in there, and it's just yeah, just to close. You probably, if somebody's got a house down there, you're probably cussing me. Actually, you know what? I can get a better look at these homes here. Instead of just seeing the tops of them, I can see them. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. Change my mind, people. You don't have to cuss me after all. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty landscape. Nice home. That's a nice home there.
Yes.
Looks very, very nice. They've got that little brick facade thing on there. Looks nice. Well, I don't know. Maybe I just had these two to go by, which is worth it though, because they're nice homes, you know. Oh no, there's some more down here. Somebody's just building that house. Or maybe they moved in, they just haven't painted it yet or something, I'm not sure. Alright, let me...
It's a nice house. They could live in it, you know. Maybe the inside could be painted.
Yeah, it could be. They could be living in there. Yeah. They just haven't.
Yeah, you know, some people would paint the inside first.
Sure. Well, that's interesting.
Yeah.
The roof, you know, and then they've got all their verandas screened in. They got tired of the mosquitoes up here. Is what happened to that deal. I'll about guarantee you. I can't blame them on that. I can't blame them one bit.
And stairs in the middle there.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad I came down here.
This one has the same looks.
I'm glad I came down here. I wouldn't have been able to see any of these.
You know, that one has this. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That one has the same looks with this, where this other do the stairs.
Yeah. Okay. And now I got to figure out how to get turned around here. Maybe I can back into somebody's driveway back here. Okay. Well, I'm glad I decided to take this little road, sweetie.
I didn't know there is.
I can't believe I was not, you know.
There's a good amount of houses in here.
Yes, you know? Yes. Okay. Yeah, you know, when we came here that day and it was raining, I had no idea there were those houses down in there like that. Just see a roof here and there.
When like someone really buying this land here and you look at the terrain of it,
Yeah.
how you think of making a house?
I don't know. Well, you get an architecture maybe, or you have you always wanted the slope just like that. That's the slope you were looking for, you know.
Look at it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do both sides here. Well, they have some more of those kind of flowers like I like. Oh, I'll do both sides here because I'm not going to come back down this one. I don't think. It's a nice home up in there.
Yeah.
See, some of these are old time.
Yeah.
And they need some work done, and some of them you can tell have been fixed up. Like that one back there, it had that corrugated roof. That's a nice home. I like the looks of it.
This one?
Yeah, but it needs some work done on it. This one to the left, I
I
can't.
prefer this one.
Oh, I do too. That's pretty. I may be going down too far and too far up as somebody's looking out their window at us. I wonder what we're up to. And I can't blame them.
You know, in this time.
Yeah.
And there's a nice house up there, but you can't.
Yeah, I can't
Hard
see
to
it
see,
without
you know.
going up there. I'm going to kind of aim the camera up there. I don't know what it's going to see. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful home.
Yeah, a car is coming now.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
the
this is a
landscaping's
a nice
gorgeous.
place, yeah.
Yeah, that's really nice.
You think you can get by?
Yeah. And this is a big home over here. That's big. Yeah.
I think this one here is big too.
Oh yeah, I think it is too. I just can't see it. Yeah. Yeah.
Look, another one, man. This one, you know, you see people in town, you don't even.
There's the sign, people. There's the sign.
The way it looks so.
We're not going to be able to hear a thing with my with my air blowing full blast. Sorry, people, I forgot that. I forgot I had that on. I gotta shut that off. You know, the gray and white looks good, but I like the gray and the dark better. Okay. I'll be honest about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those little scallops around the veranda.
Scallops? Yeah.
And around the veranda.
Yeah. I don't know
It seems that maybe they bought them ready-made.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I like them, but, you know, look at the big tall trees in there, people.
That house inside there looks big.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it is.
You got those houses on the...
We did those already. Yeah.
They look nice. When you are down here.
When you, yeah. But you know, when you're going the opposite directions, those houses on the other side, they don't even realize you've seen them before.
Yeah, you know.
They look so different.
Different, yeah. Because then sometimes you don't just see in the top floor. You don't really see the whole beauty of it.
Yeah. That's why I was almost thinking, you know, that'd be nice about 360 camera. You just go one direction and you're done. And that's Banana Way. It takes you over into Orange Grove. Good there, people.
This would look like the fern. But I was telling you, because some look like this tree here. Remember we were talking about fern, and I was looking at a different type of fern, you know?
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were talking about a different kind of tree. Well, they got a lot of ivy there.
Oh, I don't know why.
Yeah, well, they never got bit by 40 legs before. you ever been bit by 40 legs? You're not going to have ivy on your house, I'll guarantee it. I've been bit twice.
That is a house.
Lucky for me, they were little baby ones.
Yeah, this house is a nice house.
I can't imagine if a big one bit me. How big was the one that bit you?
A big one, like maybe...
You had to go to the hospital?
No.
No? Okay.
Because they caught it and it was about 4 or 5 inches. It was caught and they get something out of it and rub on the ear. And
okay. Yeah, I'm getting sunburn on my arm today, like I did the other day. My right arm is, well, you know, when you grow up in foreign, you always have your left arm out the window, back before you had air conditioning in cars. So your left arm was always, had a better tan or was sunburned, and your right arm was white as could be. Well, now that I live in Jamaica and we go around filming with my arm stuck out the window, then now I'm getting the reverse. I'm getting my right arm's going to be darker.
Look at these bougainvillea. It's like two different color there.
Yeah, yeah.
That rose pink, it's rose pink
over there.
And that dog is just cooling out, you know.
Yeah, he's a cooling out dog. You're a cooling out dog, aren't you? Yeah, you look happy. Let me show it. You want to be on YouTube? Can you be on YouTube? You're not wanted by the law or nothing? Huh? You're not wanted by the law? Okay, you haven't chased any chickens or nothing? All right. What? What was that about? What was that about? You did chase chickens. I apologize. I apologize. You don't want to be dragging up his past.
He said, what did you say?
Oh no, he was sleeping till his owner came out. His owner came out and then he had to protect her. I'm okay.
Yes, you know, it's only when she came out.
When she came out, then yeah, he was sleeping on the job.
So yeah. So
what kind of?
Yeah, he said.
The owner came out to see what was going on. See who was talking to their dog, and then he decided to protect her. Yeah, but he had something to protect too. You know. I don't know.
You know, even Blackmouth and Precious will do things like that.
You know,
like if they are required,
they got nothing to protect until their people are there. When their people are there, you know, it's no different than like the female alligator. They're not going to mess with the male. But when they got eggs, the male won't mess with the female.
Yeah.
Because they've got something to protect.
Yeah.
And it's the same with, people are the same.
Yeah.
Dogs are every species is really the same. Yeah, that's true. It's true. If you got something to protect, then you get a little brave and you get all kinds of stuff.
Well, that dog don't want the owner to say.
You don't want to see him
He's
sleeping
idling on the job, you know.
He was just having, he was sitting there having a conversation with me.
As soon as it heard the master's voice, he started barking and ready to make an attack.
No, he was
because,
ready.
And
then when I turned my camera towards him, he kind of backed. He's kind of a scaredy cat, but he had to, you got to protect his owner till he's gonna, that's what dogs are famous for. Or known for, I guess you'd say. Not really famous, but known for. It's just a nice, quiet neighborhood, That's the whole thing.
Yeah.
The whole neighborhood's very quiet.
Yeah.
This is a little bit older home.
Yeah.
But I like their landscaping.
Yeah.
I do.
A car is coming too.
It's very mature landscaping. But the way they've got the lower plants, I like that landscape. That's nice.
We can get out maybe without going back that rough.
No, we don't. We'll go right out here. We're
right.
We're right to where we came in at, sweetie.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting the way they did that navy blue in the front. It's kind of striking.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be something I'd do. Oh, I love their front doors.
The entryway.
Look at their entryway.
Yeah. It's nice.
Oh, that's attractive. Two big doors with the ovals, and then they have little windows to the sides of them. They've got a nice entryway. Yeah.
Okay.
So, but everybody's got their style, and that's the just like we were talking about.
Yeah.
Jamaica's a free country.
Yeah.
In foreign, you get one of those HOAs or whatever. You can't change the color of your house or this or that.
I don't like that.
No, I don't either. Jamaica's a free country. Although there may be areas like that. Okay.
You might get an HOA, have a house that HOA is responsible for and telling you this, that, but a Jamaican will go and do their own thing on it and don't care. And let them get mad.
That's what Jamaica's. Yeah. That's true. Well, people, we've had a nice trip. And it's been very enjoyable. I kind of wish we would have gone up that Summit Avenue, but I don't know. I was getting tired of the rough roads, So we're gonna go ahead and polish it off, and I'm not sure I'd have had the battery for all of it anyway. So lean in, sweetie. Okay, viewers and subscribers, thanks for joining us on our exciting Bridgemount tour. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal.
Bless up, everybody. Thank you for your support, and we love you. Have a good, wonderful day.